What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning, guys. What's going on? What's going on? What's up, Wag Dials? What's going on? Guys, I'm going to get this link posted across the board here, then we will be good to go. Hope everyone had a really good weekend, guys. Hope everyone had a really good weekend. For me, it was truthfully, but hey, you know what? Now we're coming back stronger, ready for the week. We ended the week really strong last week. For those that weren't on stream, guys, we had an absolutely killer Friday. We got a $2,000 withdrawal from our Tradeify, as well as that we got a $1,100 day across 3 different accounts. Got a laptop now trading ES futures today with you around 10:30. I'm still setting up. Sounds good. What's up, Eric? What's going on, Seas Monster? What's going on, TikTok? How we doing? Again, guys, if you're joining for the first time here on TikTok, guys, please do me a favor, double tap the screen, like the stream, and drop me a follow. It really helps me grow the page, grow the stream. Really appreciate that, guys. Market opens here in about 15 minutes, so we'll get underway. And we'll get going, guys. Again, for those that are just joining in now for the first time, guys, we will be trading futures live here. I'll be sharing all my entries and exits with you guys. And we're going to be continuing to stream until we get a payout, guys. Again, we had a monster day. Our biggest day yet on Friday. We were at plus $1,100 across 3 different accounts. It was just about a $3,400 day, guys. And again, for those that are just tuning in now for the first time as well, we're trading on the Tradeify platform, guys. It's on the screen right here, tradeify.co, and using code STOCKDADS gets you guys a 35% discount, guys. The sale ends today. The sale ends today, the 35% off. So whether you already have an account and you want to max it out to get to 7, which is the amount you can have at max, or if you don't have an account and you want to get going, guys, make sure you take advantage of that promo that ends today. Good morning, Joe Sue, Alide. What's going on? What's going on, Carlos? Let's make this dough. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, we got about 15 minutes to the market open, guys, so we'll go from there. All right, guys, what's going on? Let me know if anyone has any questions. Long from 20.0504, nice. Very, very nice. I haven't taken any trades yet, guys. I actually did take one trade. I took an overnight trade. I shorted the hourly 20 EMA in the overnight session, guys. And I took it on 2 different accounts. And we're up $1,200 across 2 different accounts. So about a $2,500 cushion to start the day. Love to see that, guys. Again, if you're just tuning in now for the first time on TikTok, guys, double tap the screen, drop me some likes, drop me a follow. Really appreciate the support. We getting food this week? Again, guys, we're trading on the Tradeify platform. Today is the last day of the sale. Code STOCKDADS gets you that 35% discount. And again, you know, whether you already have an account and you want to max it out or get more, again, you can have up to 7 accounts on Tradeify. Or if you don't have an account and you want to get going and pull the trigger, guys, now is the time to take advantage of that sale. What's going on, Neo Ray? Let me know if anybody has any questions, guys. If anyone has any questions, write it in the chat, guys. If anyone has any questions at all, write it in the chat and let me know, guys. Let me know. So what's going on, Snipe? What's going on, Benji? How we doing, guys? Good morning. Again, market opens in about 10 minutes, guys. If anybody has any questions, now is the time to ask. Let it rip, guys. And hopefully we'll have another good day. Again, Friday was a killer day so far. Our best day on stream, actually, plus 1150 across 3 different accounts. So it was just about a $3,400 day for me. Again, for those that are just tuning in now for the first time, I'm using the Tradeify platform. I'm currently copy trading 3 different accounts. You'll be able to see all my entries and exits in the middle screen once I enter a trade, and I'll be saying all my entries and exits in real time for you guys as well. So you know, win, loss, or indifferent, you guys be able to learn and take some entries. What's up, Mamba? How are we looking today? What's going on, Rudy? Looking solid so far, guys. So, you know, the only problem we have so far, just talking a little bit about the market here, we're still within Friday range, right? We're still within Friday range. We had a huge downside move kind of out of nowhere on Friday, right? You know, I expected maybe some pullback, maybe not this harsh though, right? Maybe not a 600 plus point drop or whatever this was, right? So with that being said, I don't want to see us break Friday low. If we break Friday low, we obviously can go lower. The only thing I would want to see here is a potential sweep of Friday's low and then a bounce from there. If we start hanging out and kind of confirming underneath that Friday low for the NASDAQ, I would kind of assume that longs would be off the table and that shorts could be on the table. Again, if we're going to be underneath Friday's low, the only thing I want to see is a sweep of the lows back over. Yep, same app, Tradeivate. So again, guys, that's what I'm kind of looking for there for NASDAQ. Intraday, obviously, we'll be using the hourly EMAs as a guide. And then from there, we'll look for some type of hourly flip to the upside, and we can get going. Right? We can get going from there. Yep, Friday extended hours. So Benji, yeah, it's a good point. I use on my other screen that you can't see, I have QQQ and NQ up, but it's always important to note, I think both of the lows, because QQQ is only with regular trading hours, right? And NQ is with extended. So for me, it's very important to kind of note them both. You got a 50K account, any advice on sizing? Guys, sizing always depends on the stop, right? A larger size is based on a tighter stop. A smaller size is based on a larger stop. Sometimes there's a good setup, but that good setup requires a larger stop. Because it requires a larger stop, you could still take the trade, but you just need to size smaller in case the trade goes south. Inversely, you can have an A+ setup that has a tight stop. Some people prefer just to keep the same size, and that's it. So. Thank you, Eric. Do you suggest mini or micro? It depends again. It depends on the trade, Trend Tides. It depends on the trade. For me personally, I mostly am using minis here. If I'm using micros, it's pretty much exclusively because I want to size into the trade and add to it. But I use both. If you're using minis, you're not going to be using, a ton of minis. You're going to be using just, maybe 1 or 2 minis on a 50K account. Appreciate you, Eric. Appreciate you. Again, for those just joining in for the first time, guys, if you're just joining in for the first time, we're going to be trading live futures here. The market opens in about 6 or 7 minutes here, and then we'll get underway. Again, I don't just necessarily rip trades off the open, but we will be prepared to enter the trades. And again, I'm using the Tradeify platform. It's on the screen, guys. Today is the last day of the promo. The promotion is 35% off using code StockDads. It's on the screen, guys. Code StockDads gets you that discount. Today is the last day of the promo, again, as I mentioned. I personally am using here the 150K accounts, but I also use the 50K accounts in my personal use. You can have up to 7 accounts. Right now I have 3 linked here, and I have my other accounts on the screen that you guys can't see. I like to use them separate just so that they're all in one go here. Minis for tighter positions, absolutely. If anybody has any questions, guys, whether about myself, StockDads, Tradeify, anything, futures trading as a whole, you can write it in the chat now, right in the chat now. And if you're not already following guys on TikTok, make sure you double tap the screen, drop me a follow. Really appreciate that. Make sure you stay in tuned. And if for some reason at this point you are new and you haven't joined yet, we still have this 1-month free promo going on in the StockDads Discord if you guys use code ZACH. Code ZACH will get you that. What's up, Jason? The VWAP settings default. The VWAP settings are default. And again, for those that, if you do want to join the StockDads Discord, the link to join is in the bio. And again, using code ZACH gets you that first free month. I'm not sure how much longer they're going to allow me to do that. My guess is they're probably not going to allow me to do it for another week or so, or only another week. Probably, they're going to have some type of Black Friday sale, I'm assuming, for StockDads. But you can't get much better than free. So take advantage of the free while you can before it's simply just going to be discounted. Coming from the webinar, I was backtesting your strat. This shit's powerful as fuck. Appreciate that, McCormick. Yeah, it is. Listen, I don't just spew things to spew it, right? Everything that I do is deliberate, right? Just got to be patient. Are we shorting today? We'll see. We don't know yet. We shall see how the market opens. We shall see. The one thing that I mentioned, if you're just joining in now, is that Friday. Right now the price is within Friday range. And as long as we're within Friday range, it could just be choppy, it could just be trappy, allowing the market to just kind of digest that big move. So where can we see your strat, the Maverick Trader? It's in the Discord. I do post trade recaps in there. I post all my analysis in there. So again, if you're not already in the Discord, click the link in the bio and use code ZACH. It's on the screen, gets you that free first month. I do offer one-on-one lessons if anyone wants to kind of go in depth with that as well. Already made what I had to make it to mix market today. Good luck. Appreciate that, Curly. Again, if you're not already following, guys, please double tap the screen. Drop me a follow on TikTok. Really appreciate that. Lala Loopsy, thank you for the follow. Appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, market opens in about 2 minutes, guys. So any last minute questions, feel free to ask. What's up, Santi? What up? Ooh, where'd my music go? Let me know any last minute questions, guys. Feel free, let me know. Right in the chat, guys. Right in the chat. Market is opening now. So here we go, guys. Appreciate that, Dalton. What's up, Alco Funds? What's going on? Again, guys, if you're not already following on TikTok, please double tap the screen, drop me a follow. Really appreciate it, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all the support. Nothing yet, guys. Again, if you feel like we're getting, if you feel like you're getting anxious near the open, right? That means you probably have some type of FOMO. So, the best thing to do is just kind of wait. Don't start firing away near the open. Wait for some confirmation, guys. That's the best bet that you guys can do near the open. Can I look at 25.15 for longs? I'm personally waiting, guys. I'm not gonna take anything just yet, guys. I'm not gonna take anything just yet. It may want a gap fill, right, on NQ potentially. We'll see, right? We'll see. We'll see. My TikTok live is choppy? Not sure why. Is it any better now, Anime Cam? Let me know. I don't know if it's my Wi-Fi or what, but... Advice for longs? I mean, I would wait personally for longs. Maybe wait for the gap fill, we'll see. On the right is Upstart. It could work on a gap fill here on NQ, but I don't know if I'm going to take it. Not sure why it's freezing. What's up, Who Casper Clip? I'm not sure why it's freezing, guys. I don't know. The gap, I don't think it's my Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi is good. It might be my stream. Someone go on YouTube if you can. Someone do me a favor and go on YouTube. My YouTube is the same handle, @ZachAustinTrades. Let me know if the YouTube's also freezing, please. If someone could do that for me, that'd be great. Who Casper Clip, thank you for the follow. Appreciate that. Someone go on YouTube if you guys can do me a favor. ZachAustinTrades as well. Research and Stud, thank you for the follow. Seems fine on YouTube. Okay, everyone's saying it seems fine on YouTube, so I'm not sure what's going on, guys, but just keep that in mind, okay? So nice little rally back here in the NQ. Nothing really I think we can do yet in there, but we're just going to keep it on notice, guys. What's up, Casper Clip? They froze at the same time. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know what's going on with the stream. I'll try to figure it out for tomorrow, but just bear with us today on the stream. Just bear with us here. I'm not going to take any fast moves today on the stream. I'll try to make them all kind of known ahead of time here. If NQ gets back over the opening print, it could work. Up towards like 25.76 or so. Not frozen on YouTube. Just bear with me, guys, across all the platforms. Like I said, I'm going to do the best I can to just not be very reactive. So, seems better on YouTube instead of TikTok. Everyone says it seems better on YouTube instead of TikTok, guys. So, just keep that in mind. Okay? NQ's trying to get back over the opening print potentially here. I'm doing well. How you doing? Again, guys, we're trading live futures here. I'll be sharing all my entries and exits in real time, and we are going to get underway. Could potentially be rejecting this hourly EMA here on, or potentially could pop up to reject that hourly EMA on NQ. Watching for that. A lot of people are saying it's definitely better on YouTube, guys. So you guys can head to YouTube, guys. Zach Austin Trades. A lot of people are saying it's definitely better there. So, do I use the hourly EMAs on QQQ? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Phil Connon, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Guys, we're trading live futures again on the Tradeify platform. For those that aren't already on the Tradeify platform, understand the sale ends today, guys. 35% discount using code StockDads. Whether you have 1 account, 5 accounts, 6 accounts, if you want to hop on the wave or just add to the maximum amount, use code StockDads. Gets you that nice discount. Again, there's no evaluation process, guys. Straight to funded. Automated payout system. I got my payout on Friday. The video should be up today, but I got my payout on Friday in 90 seconds. It was pretty crazy. Let me know if anybody has any questions, guys. Let me know if anyone has any questions at all. Feel free to let it rip while we're not in any trades. That's the time to ask the questions right now. 15 minutes closing here. Soon. 2 minutes for the 15-minute. Seems bad for what, Coder? Seems bad for what? To get into what? $15-minute is ending in a second here, so that's all. Short. I wouldn't enter any shorts yet, personally. That's just me, though. Guys, just remember the sale ends today for Tradeify. That's what we're trading on. No trades yet, but when I do enter the trades, you guys will be able to see them right here in live time on the screen, the middle of the screen. I'll be sharing all my entries live, whether win, lose, or indifferent, guys. So just stay tuned for that. The 15 minutes closing here in 1 minute, so keep that in mind here for the NASDAQ. We'll see. Maybe we do push up towards this hourly 8, you know, and test it directly via price, right, potentially. Yes, a bit stronger. RTY's under the open. Dow's just kind of hanging in there. Meh. Nothing really too much on the Dow. ES is definitely looking a little bit better here. A little bit more room to the hourly 8, but also NQ could tag it first. So it's like NQ looks weaker, but could tag it first. ES looks stronger, but could lag because of NQ. So a bit conflicted here. I don't really use the orb per se, Dalton, on the 15-minute, but I use like a 5-minute opening range. Yes, I love to trade off the higher time frames, guys. That's what I mostly do, is trade off of higher time frames. Especially when it comes to my swings, guys. Again, so for those that are in the Discord, guys, again, if you're not already in there, code Zach free first month. We're in a firm, guys. We're in those calls. Those calls should be up pretty hefty. We got in around 1.6, 1.7. They're sitting roughly around like $3 now. So make sure we're taking trims, guys. Make sure we're taking those trims. Stop balls could trigger. Oh, yeah, someone already was mentioning that. Coder. What do you mean? How much I cut out LPM? What does that mean? NQ is definitely dipping a bit. As you can see, I mentioned it was weak. We may want to get that gap fill, guys. We may want to get that gap fill for NQ potentially. Nice W Sport. I'm just doing futures right now, guys. No options right now. No options right now. SMCI knows at the daily 8 EMA though, so we'll see what happens there. If we get to like 2,500, it's not a bad spot to long. So we'll see what happens if we get there, guys. I'd want to see something like this maybe, or if we just hang out right here, just this, but like right here. So I want to see something like that potentially, guys. We'll wait and see what happens. Let me know, guys. Is the stream any better? Is the stream any better, or is it worse? Let me know. Just got an alert for something. Nice. Way better? Nice. Okay, good. Your days. Again, guys, we want to see something like this happen, so we're still going to wait and see, right? Let's see if we tag this 5-minute 20 or something like that. Like 5:01 or so. Marmar, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate that. No trades yet, guys. Nothing yet. Still a bit indecisive here. Again, if you're not already following, guys, double tap the screen, drop me a follow. Really appreciate that. Using the Tradeify platform. Today's the last day of the sale, 35% discount. Make sure, whether you have 1 account or 7, looking for that code stock that's there. Am I looking for a long entry? I'm looking for some type of long entry if we can get it. Maybe off this 5-minute 20 EMA. That would also roughly be the gap fill, so that would kind of make sense. If we get down to like 5:01s or so. I want to see it bounce off the 5-minute 20 and then kind of go from there, so we'll see. Let me know, guys, if anyone has any questions. Now's the time to let it rip with the questions, guys. RTY is weak, making new lows. I think the only market, actually no, NQ and RTY. I'm not in any trades, Sir Joel. I'm not in any trades right now. This is what I'm kind of looking for, though. This is what I'm looking for here in the markets. I'm not sure if we'll get it, but that's what I'm looking for. Yep, I have that level on RTY. Just about that level. I have a level right above it. Nope, Dalton. So the thing about Tradeify is, I'm assuming you're new. So the Tradeify accounts have no evaluation process. No evaluation process. You can start trading on them right away and start making money on them right away towards your profit goals. That's the beautiful thing about it. Do I trade trend or pattern? I use the 8 and 20 EMAs, hourly levels, and multi-time frame analysis, guys, to form my trades. That's how I do it personally. Let's see. We just got to this little 5-minute there. So if we maybe bounce. So NQ made a new low. ES, did ES make a new low actually? No, ES higher low. RTY made a new low. Dow did not. So kind of a little bit conflicting here across the board. I don't mind a long try here. I'm just debating if I want to wait. One more 5-minute candle is all. Then we'll wait one more 5-minute candle. But guys, as you can see, this is kind of what I wanted to see. I'm just going to wait one more 5-minute candle here. Just because RTY is a bit weak. RTY maybe want to sweep the lows and then bounce from there. We have news in 5 minutes. Okay, if we have news in 5 minutes, then I'm definitely going to wait one more 5-minute candle. Appreciate that. Appreciate the insight there. So RTY didn't actually. RTY did not make a new low. That's okay. I mean, it's always important to know if there's some type of data, even if it just gives you a little bit of a spike, right? I was already wanting to probably wait for one more 5-minute candle anyway, so for me it doesn't really matter. It makes sense. Chicago Fed speaker got you. Yandi, thank you for the follow on TikTok. It's always good to, guys, just have a general understanding. I always kind of mentally like to be flat at like 10 a.m., even if there's really no impact, but we'll see. I'm thinking NQ may want to make one more new low, or RTY push down towards Friday low first, which, so, we'll see what happens in the next 2 minutes or so, right? Nice little bounce so far incoming on NQ. Again, that's why we're waiting the 5 minutes, guys. Because we can easily just put a stop here and then long, right? Get some type of what do we have? Home builder confidence? I don't know. Nothing crazy. Waiting for this 5-minute close, guys. Waiting for the 5-minute close. News coming in a second, guys, so just be cautious. Should be okay. Still think we could push a little bit lower here on the Dow. The Dow could want to make new lows. RTY could want to make new lows. So this is what we wanted to see. Kind of missed it, but I'm still gonna wait to see if we make new lows in the other indices there. NQ is looking good though. I'm just gonna wait a second. At least back to like the open in theory. I like this NQ setup though. I like it. I'm going to take one long here, guys, on NQ.
Order filled.
Got filled at 45.5. I'm taking one long. An immediate pop near the open, I would take it off. I'm going to use a 1 bar stop here, though. Stop loss will be at the bar lows here at 22. Immediate push up to the open, I would take it off. Like 55s. Alright.
Order filled.
Okay. Got that immediate spike up to the open, as you guys can see right here. Alright. Got about 10 points there. Let me know if you guys were able to snag that quick little scalper. Quick little scalper. This going to all-time high. What do you mean by that? Let me know if you guys are able to catch that trade. I don't know if there was any issues with the streams or anything like that, so let me know. It was a quick one. But in theory, we're going even higher. I just wanted to secure a W, guys. For those that are just tuning in now for the first time, I always like to secure a W to start the day, right? So if it means not a great R to R and more of a higher probability, if it means, to exit earlier, whatever, right? That's what I like to do. So let me know if you guys were able. Nice, guys. Yep. And wish I had two. It's okay. Hey, listen. You each want to capture a piece of the moves, right? Especially to start. As we know, every day if we can start with some cushion, that allows us to do more. So here we go. Plus 200. So God, I'm still popping. Yeah, it's still popping, guys. But as I said, especially for those that are just new to the stream, my first trade, I always like to take a small little base hit. Secure some cushion on the day. That way we're flexible. We can risk all of our profit on the day. We can risk some of the profit. We can risk some of the profit and more. So just by always having the first trade as a winner, it's really good psychologically. So that's why I said if we get an immediate pop, because here's the thing, right? Let me just actually go over this more so. This could have done anything. This could have tested the open and failed. This could have tested the open, popped, and gone like this. Anything can happen, right? We don't know what path we're going to take. But if we can get immediate impulses, we'll immediately take that because we can always get another entry, especially in futures, right? So yes, in this case, we're making new highs. It is what it is. But if we look at it, right, it could really do anything. So because it can do anything, I prefer to just kind of lock in those gains, just, lock them in, and then we can always look for another setup after, right? Up 350 to start. Nice. There we go. Again, my first trade is usually smaller size, and also my first trade is usually just a base hit. So, again, for those that are just tuning in now, guys, we're trading on the Tradeify platform, right? The Tradeify platform. Why I like the Tradeify platform: no evaluation process, automated payout system, very easy rules to follow. And because there's no evaluation process, guys, you can literally open an account right now and start working towards your goals, right? We're about to tag that hourly 8, and that is, a bit sad because we just absolutely ripped. But it is what it is, right? So in theory, guys, from our entry, that would have been about 40 points. So up 800. Let's go. Robert Lewis, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate that. Yep. There's a time and place to hold runners, guys. There's a time and place to do all that, right? But if you think about it, the trend really hasn't developed yet, right? There's no real trend yet in the day. So all we're really trying to do is just kind of, take advantage of the current action, really, right? And so, So now we're at this hourly 8, so we could reject, we can close through it, right? So this is where it kind of gets a little conflicting. So, you know, it's kind of like all bets are off, sort of. So we'll see what happens, guys. Range trading a bit, yep. FOMC speaker. So do we start with simulated? Yeah. So basically, RW, how it works with Tradeify is you start with a sim funded account right away, no evaluation. You start on the sim funded. After 10 trading days, you can be able to take withdrawals, right? So I just got my. For those that weren't with us on the Friday stream, I made a whole video that I'm editing right now, and I'm gonna have that video posted hopefully today. I went through the entire process with timestamps, just kind of showing everybody the real true process, whether good or bad. Happened to be very good, right? So this is my payout certificate that I got on Friday for my first payout, right there. Pretty cool. And I got paid out. So I requested my payout, guys, at 9:28 Eastern time in the morning. 2 minutes later, they say they got my request. It was approved. I then had to make a Rise account, which is how you get paid to your bank. The Rise account took about 10 minutes to make, just because I had to fill out all my information. After I filled out the information, I got the money in my Rise account in 90 seconds, literally 90 seconds. And then from there, it was in my bank within 10 minutes. So basically from the withdrawal being approved, making the account, if I didn't have to make the account, it would have been like 5 minutes. But I got the withdrawal, the request sent, the request approved, sent to my Rise, sent to my bank in 30 minutes. How long will these live sessions last? It depends. It depends. I want to stream until I get a payout, or you know, that's really it. But again, if you guys are not already in the Discord, guys, use code ZACH, gets you a free first month in the Discord. Getting a little bit of a pop here again. Definitely should get a Tradeify account. Hundo P. Code Stock Dads, baby. You know it, Ace. You know it, Ace. For those all on YouTube just joining in for the first time right now, guys, use code StockDads. Code StockDads right here gets you a nice discount on all the Tradeify accounts. The promo ends tonight. Just took 45% on the upstart swing on position. Took my position Friday on a pullback. Nice. Good work. Again, guys, the promo ends tonight, guys. Code StockDads gets you 35% off all the accounts. So far, guys, we're 1 for 1 on the day, plus $200 here, plus $200. And, you know, we're going to look for some more trades. But like I say, I always like to build a cushion on the first trade. The first trade of the day is very important to be green for your psychology and for your account. So we're kind of rejecting that hourly that hourly 8 EMA right now. So we're going to see it here. Let me know if anybody has any questions, guys. Let me know if anyone has any questions. Again, guys, I'm on the Tradeify platform for those that are asking. Tradeify. It's on the screen. Code StockDads gets you that 35% discount. Keep looking for trades here, guys, and keep looking for some trades. I kind of want to short this hourly 8, honestly. Is that dumb? It's kind of dumb, right? I feel like it's dumb. But it's our first hourly 8 test. Yeah, I don't know about that. It kind of feels dumb. Let me know if anyone has any questions, guys. Not dumb? Yeah, we'll see. Be right back, guys. One second. I gotta lock my door. I realized it's open. What's up, Brett? Not dumb, maybe questionable. Could be a short here though. Stops above those highs. I kind of dig it. I'll wait for this 5-minute close, guys. In theory. Pretty tight stop. Target would be like, where the hell did it go? If this 5-minute close is bearish, that would kind of be the idea there. The problem is the 15 minutes looking strong, but the 15-minute could be an inside bar pullback. So no short there, guys, on that 5 minutes being strong, right? Let's see what ES is up to. ES still has some room. 59.10s. Probably a good spot to short there, like 59.10. I think I'm going to do that, guys. I'm going to set a short on ES at 59.10. I'm going to set 2 shorts at 59.10, guys. Actually, no, excuse me. I'm going to set 1 short at 59.10 and then 1 short at the level at 59.11.75. That's what I'm going to do. Or at 59.11.5. So I have 1 short set right here. And then I have one short set at 59.10. I'm going to use a 6-point stop. That's what I'm doing, guys. So roughly it'll look like this. Why do these things do this? All right, cool. End phase calls. I mean, we swept last week low. When's earnings? Oh, not for a while. Could dabble with it. Could dabble with it. Wait for the hourly close, but for those on TikTok just joining for the first time now, guys, keep in mind I'm trading on the Tradeify platform here. It's a straight-to-funded platform, no evaluation, guys. Promo ends tonight. Make sure you're using the code StockDads right here on the screen, guys. What the hell is that on my screen? It's like red. Oh, that's my order. Never mind. So back to ES, guys. We're looking for a short around that 59.10s, guys. Those are roughly where the short orders will be filled, and then the stop loss will be above there. Zoom out to weekly end phase. Oh, damn. I mean, yeah, you can, I mean, stop even under like 58, which is like today's low. I mean, that's not bad at all. We're so far from the daily 20. I mean, it has all the, you know, even if this catches up, room to like at least 70, which is what, 15%? Not bad. Not bad, not bad. It's looking like we may reject before our entry, guys. We got to 59.08 3/4. Let's see. Still going to keep this open, guys. Again, this is what we're looking for. Two different short orders looking for that short. Trust. Guys, while we're still sitting here waiting for a potential fill, let me know if anybody has any questions, guys, whether it's about myself, futures trading as a whole, Tradeify, StockDads. Let it rip in the chat, guys. Let me know. Smiley, thank you for the follow on TikTok. How do I get it to show the P&L of the last trade? Benji, you mean like on my middle screen right here? Like this right here? Is that what you mean? What about StockDads, Danny? That's my Tradeivate. This is my Tradeivate, Benji. So let me actually just... I can't really show you without moving too much stuff around, which I don't want to do right now. But basically, this is the positions tab on Tradeivate. There's a positions tab, and then you can customize the positions tab. And so this is just the total P&L. This is the open P&L, and then here's like, you know, quantity, symbol, ticker, etc. Oh, you guys can't even see what Do I travel internationally often? Not too much. Maybe like once a year. Last year, I went to Italy in the fall. I went to Florence and I went to Venice in the last November, October, something like that. This year I haven't. I've been a lot busier. But, what made you want to short? So I have an hourly level here at this 5911s, right? That 5911 area. Plus I have the hourly 8 EMA right there. We may not get our proper short entry here. It may. So guys, again, as I always preach, EMAs get tested one of two ways, either via time or via price, right? We were trying to snag that short entry right off of there, but if we continue to reject, it would act as if we did tag it via time, which would not be ideal for our entry. So we're gonna wait and see, guys. Appreciate you, Danny. Up 57,000 today. Wow, Build Capital, you the GOAT, huh? You start your own hedge fund. The short spot was off the hourly 20 with ETH extended on. Yeah, I suppose. You know, I usually toggle between them. Like right now on my other screen, I have ES with regular, SPY with extended. But, you know, I'm just looking for that really precise. Because here's the thing, just, you know, it doesn't seem like a lot, but a 2-point difference on ES when taking multiple contracts, you know, it's, you know, hundreds of dollars. So we got to be precise. I'm on ES, guys. We're trading ES futures. ES futures, guys. Yeah, guys, it's looking like it's not going to play out, guys. Right idea, just probably no entry. Yeah, I was looking for shorts, boy in black. I was looking for shorts. It's looking like it's not going to play out, though. I'm going to give it another 5 minutes, so I'm going to give it this hourly close to play out and see if we can get it. Otherwise... I'm gonna give it the next 5 minutes. If no trigger or no fill in the next 5 minutes, at least on one of the orders, or at least close to it, I'll exit and I'll cancel that order, guys. One order's at 59.10, one is at 59.11.5. I want to short so bad. Short it, baby. Just kidding. Don't YOLO. Don't YOLO. But if you do YOLO, make sure you use Tradeify code StockDad for that 35% discount, guys. Promo ends tonight. No evaluation, guys. Keep that in mind. You can start working on the funded right away. So if you do want to YOLO, open the account. It takes a couple minutes. Get to your YOLOing needs right away, guys. I am not a YOLO advisor, but for those that desire the YOLO, you know where to go. Again, for those not already following, guys, on TikTok, please do me a favor, double tap the screen, drop me a follow. I'm hopping on here live for free hopefully until we get a payout. And make sure if you're not already in the Stock Dads Discord themselves, guys, click the link in the bio. Use code ZACH, gets you that free first month. Do I consider the 15-minute orb from 0300 open? I don't really use the 15-minute orb too much, guys. I more so like the 5-minute open. The 5-minute. I guess you can say the 5-minute orb if you want to use terms like that. Above or below opening print. It's potential we might get our setup, guys, so we're just going to wait here. We're going to wait patiently for it, and we'll see. Yep, possible, Carlos. Thank you for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate that.
Thanks for tuning in to Too Easy Radio. We have one more song to play for you. As promised, here's our new song with Timmy Trumpet called Chasing Ghosts. It's out October 11th. We'll see you guys next time. Party hard this weekend, but party safe. And remember, it's just too easy.
Order filled.
Okay, got the order filled on the 1 order, guys. We're in on 1 now. Got filled on 1, guys. Got filled on 1. Open print pullback is fire, full show. Hourly close also in 1 minute, guys. Keep that in mind. So we're in 1 short, guys. You guys can always tell what position I'm in. It shows it on the screen. Quantity, ticker, what direction I'm heading, right? Open P&L, total P&L, right? For hours and hours. 20 seconds for the hourly close, guys.
Order filled.
All right, guys. Got filled on the second one here as well now, too. Might be an early stop out for us potentially, but we'll see.
Order filled.
Oh, fuck. I just closed it by accident, guys. I just closed it by... I meant to put a stop loss and I closed it. Damn. So I took a 3-point loss there, guys. Like a 2.5 point buck. That's on me, guys. It's a little unfortunate, guys. A little unfortunate there. But it is what it is. Well, that's unfortunate, guys. I'm sorry. I messed that up. Made 900 nice. Now, guys, I entered a short and then I fat fingered it by accident. I meant to put a stop loss, and I just closed it. I mean, it may have ended up being the right move, but damn. We'll see what happens. I mean, maybe for all we know, it might have been the right move, right? The stop loss would have been like 19,615 or so. So we'll see. My entry is 59.14. Got you. So guys, why we, as I mentioned before, the reason why we like to trade is because we have the hourly 8 EMA and the hourly level there, as well as NQ heading into resistance as well here, right? That's the reasoning. I mean, obviously, I just fat fingered it by accident, but it is what it is. But that's also, guys, you know, even more of a reason. Excuse me. That's even more of a reason, guys, why we like to build a buffer on the first trade. You know, unfortunately, sometimes human error happens, right? That's part of trading, unfortunately. We are not perfect. We are not machines. We are not robots, right? So looking for the short off the hourly 8 and off of the level there for ES, but I fat fingered it. It happens, guys. Again, that's why we, you know, like to build a buffer in the mornings, you know, as I mentioned. All right, guys, so now we're down $100 on the day. Negative $100 on the day. Technically negative 112. But we're gonna look for one more idea, right? We're gonna look for one more trade, maybe some type of, maybe something like this. Maybe something like this, guys, right? If we can get something like that going, that could be potentially nice. So we'll wait and see. Let me know, guys, now, is there any other questions, guys? Anyone have any questions about myself, futures trading, Tradeify, you know, stock dads? Let me know if anyone has any questions, guys. I'm still going to look for another entry. I'm just going to wait a second here. I like to wait usually 10 to 15 minutes before my In between my trades, I should say, excuse me. So, let me know. Let me know, guys. Any other questions, feel free, let me know. Guys, for those in the Affirm trade, guys, absolutely money move here, guys. I have 4 contracts left that I'm going to try to hold for a big, big, big move here. We have room all the way to 80. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but we do have the room. So I'm going to try to hold the best I can, and we'll see, guys. We're going to continue to raise our stops and go from there. Potentially can add back on 15-minute buy setups. Appreciate you, Ace, for the tiny, tiny. Dragon Emperor, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. What was I about to do? Anyone have any questions, guys? Anyone have any questions while we're sitting here waiting for a trade? It looks like NQ, guys, was the move. I was debating it. I just wanted to wait a second, but look at this. We were rejecting nicely off of that hourly level there. Actually, that's not even an hourly level. That's an old level. Okay, so good thing we didn't take that. Well, I mean, it would have worked, but it wasn't proper. Anybody have any questions, guys? I'm reading the chat. Trying to read the chats. Emmanuel, thank you for the follow. I'm a beginner starting trading this week. Any advice with the buy? Yeah, the link is in the bio, Emmanuel. 2 things that I would do. Take advantage of the promotion here for the Stock Dads Discord. Code Zach gets you a free first month. That's number 1. Number 2, what I would do is open a Tradeify account using code StockDads. Gets you a 35% discount. Do you look at fair value gaps? No, I do not. NVN, thank you for the share on TikTok. NVN, thank you for the share. Appreciate that. A lot I wanted though. If we do get back to this 59. Guys, if anybody has any questions, guys, I want to take another trade, but no setup yet. No setup, guys. That's no setup, no entry.
That was our song Bloom with Train. The song is out now and you can find it on your favorite streaming platform. If you haven't already, make sure to head over to our socials to get updated on everything cheat codes. Tore up our new song with Timmy Trumpet. You don't want to miss it.
Freeze across the board. I might just call it a day here. Bubba, thank you. Good choice on NVIDIA. I'm not sure. Appreciate the share, Danny. I think I'm gonna call it here, guys, because I know we're lagging a bit. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure what's going on. I don't want to take another trade of the day. I am going to be done for the day. So if anybody has any questions, ask them now. Otherwise, I'll be done. So. Probably just buy pullbacks later in the day, but no more trades on stream because I know we're getting a little bit of lag. Again, guys, if you're not already in the Discord, code Zach. Code Zach gets you that free first month. Code StockDads here gets you that 35% discount off Tradeify, guys. Straight to funded, no evaluation process, automated payouts, guys. I got my payout last week on them. My first payout last week, guys. It was amazing. I'm posting the video later today. The video will be out later today, but I got my payout in literally like 90 seconds, guys. It was crazy. There's my payout certificate there. Got paid out into my bank in like total 30 minutes. It was unbelievable. So again, if you want to use that, promo ends tonight, 35% discount, guys. Yeah, everyone says I'm lagging. I'm not sure what it is, so I'm going to feel like it's best to do it tomorrow. Guys, absolutely amazing move, guys. My small account today is going nuclear, guys. Small account up 100% today. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Again, guys, all my options trades are in the Discord, so if you're not already in there, use code ZACH. Gets you that free first month, guys. Any last minute questions, guys, before I hop off? Let me know. Let me know. No, I'm not in any trades anymore, Benji. Oh, you're talking about this trade? This idea? Yeah, I would still look for this idea. But most likely this is not going to happen anytime soon, so I would wait. Firm's up 10% today, guys. You got to take those, those trims when you can. Let me know, guys. Anyone else? Any other questions, guys? Let me know. Let me know. Before I hop off. Any last minute questions, guys? Are we good? Any last minuters? Are we good? Let me know. If not, guys, I'm going to hop off for the day. I appreciate everyone for tuning in. I know my stream has been a little laggy today. I'm going to try to figure that out. I'm going to see if it's a Wi-Fi issue or what. Should you hold your calls for NASDAQ? Well, that's a tough question. When did you enter? When's the expiration? What's the strike? Etc. Guys, I know Instagram is bad. Guys, I'm going to hop off here. I'm going to figure out this Wi-Fi issue, guys. Let me know if anyone has any questions. DM me on TikTok, Instagram, or Discord. I appreciate everybody for tuning in, guys. I thank you again.